Alright guys, so this is a wire question on position vectors. Alright, it says the position vectors of points PQR with respect to the origin are this, and this respectively. If PQRM is a parallelogram, find the position vector of M, find the magnitude or modulus of vectors PM and PQ, and find the acute angle between vectors PM and PQ. So first of all, let's start the first question. It says PQRM is a parallelogram. One thing we know, and then we are looking for the position vector of M. If you check, P, Q, and R are given, but we don't know that of M. But we know that in a parallelogram, okay, opposite sides are always equal and opposite. So equal and parallel, all right? It means PQ is parallel to MR and PQ is equal to MR as well. The same thing, PM is equal and parallel to what? QR. So that's the property that we're going to be making use of. So I'm going to be doing PQ or vector PQ must be equal to what? Vector MR. Okay, we are looking for M. Okay, so we know that PQ normally means what? Q minus P, and MR means what? R minus M. If you are confused as to how this comes about, we already did that in the previous videos. You might do it to just check them out. All right, in the previous videos that were posted. All right, so anyway, so we make R subject of the formula here. It's going to become Q minus P, then minus R, all right, equals what? Minus M. M is having minus, so we can just multiply through by minus to get rid of the negative that M is carrying. So multiply through by minus, we're going to get having minus Q plus P plus R equals M. Let's rewrite this. We have a P plus R minus Q equals what? M. They are still all the same thing. All right, so what's our P? P is what? 4i minus 5j. So we have 4i minus 5j plus R. R is the last one here. Let's open the bracket. That's minus 5i plus 2j. All right. Okay, and that's R. Minus Q. Q is the one in the middle here. PQ. That's what? I plus 3j. All right, and that's our M. So let's try and solve this one. I'll just create some space here. Okay, so let's try and open the bracket. We have 4i minus 5j. Open the bracket with this plus. We're going to be having minus 5i plus times plus is going to be plus 2j. Then open the bracket with this negative. We have minus I minus 3j, because minus times plus is minus. All will be equal to M. So let's collect like terms now. Let's bring all the i's together. 4i minus 5i, then minus I, then the j's together. We have 5j plus 2j minus 3j. All will be equal to M. 4 minus 5, that's going to be minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1i, that's going to be minus 2i. Then minus 5 plus 2, that's 2 minus 5, that's minus 3. Minus 3 minus 3, that's another what? Minus 6j. All right, and that's going to give what? M. And that is the number one question that says the position vector of M. It is what? Minus 2i minus 2j. So follow for more questions. We're going to be solving the other two questions in the next videos. Thank you very much.